Hi everyone, welcome back to unboxing our new book. Let me see which is this new book. Hope all of you will enjoy this unboxing video. See, this is something, it has become a habit of writing, releasing, editing books. This is my 11th book, I can say. It's not only mine, it's all of yours, everyone who joined hands in making this possible. So, all the credit goes to our authors, our co-editors, and our professional colleagues, and everyone, Medical Pharmacology Society. So we have written, edited, published sixth book, which is the sixth book. So you can come and see here. So very nice, looks so nice, very good, and again I feel so proud that so many MD pharmacologists coming from all over India, they joined hands to make this possible. This is our sixth book from Medical Pharmacology Society, but this is fifth volume of Crucial Pharmacology Trends book. So let us come here nearby so that you can see little bit more details. So I have written Crucial Pharmacology Trends, fifth volume, and produced by Medical Pharmacology Society, edited by Dr. Shiva Murthy, Dr. Melvin, Dr. Phulen Sarma, Dr. Mukundam Borah, and Dr. Bikash Medhi. So here you can see that. So again, it will have the information related to the book, and you can see that 132nd, 132nd chapter is starting in this book, and then it will end at 165. So finally we are ending MPS Con 2026 by completing 165th chapter, and you can see here all the awardees details are given here. So various people were awarded with different kinds of categories, and the message from the organizers and the acknowledgement, and we have three sections. You can see that the section starts with molecular and mechanistic frontiers in pharmacology, and translational and experimental pharmacology, clinical, ethical, and emerging trends in pharmacology. So we have been doing so much of work. Totally 392 pages document is made into this book, and very nicely bounded, nice colored, and you can see that we have also inserted the QR code for other volumes also. So you can see people who are interested in purchasing, they can easily purchase this. This is the like membership methods is also discussed here. Here you can see that the crucial clinical trials management book details are given. Details of the editors and co-editors are given here, and then you can see that I have given to ensure that all the chapters of different volumes, right from volume 1 to volume 5 are included for your easy reference to understand which are all the topics that are covered in each volume, so that you can easily identify which book you would like to, which volume you would like to buy. So in this way, so we have made our best to give you the best, especially for the students who are preparing for MD pharmacology examination, and also we can recommend these books for the M Pharma, then PhD, MSc pharmacology students also. So knowledge is for everyone, and it is up to you to utilize this opportunity. So thank you everyone for your continued support, and all the authors, congratulations, and we are here to support you. With your support we are able to do this job, and we are coming up with volume 6 and 7 also. If you are interested in authoring, please join hands with Medical Pharmacology Society, and we are conducting MPS Con 2026 on May 20th to 22nd. It will be in Bangalore, it will be in my institution. So I'll try to do my best to bring the best from our side. Hope all of you will join the official release of and Crucial Pharmacology Trends book, volume 3, 4 and 5. So they will be released. Savanir will be released, and lifetime achievements are planned. Lifetime achievement awards are planned, and various MD pharmacologist awards like most promising MD pharmacologist, most promising young and senior MD pharmacologist awards are planned. Many varieties of programs are planned. In this time, we have also planned MPS Pharma PG quiz also. MPPQ 2026 is also organized. So many things, and we have grants for the youngsters who are interested in doing the research. So like this, we have many things: poster presentations, oral presentations, posters for UG, PG and faculty, oral presentations for faculty and PGs. And this time we are promoting everyone to present one of the other papers, including the review articles. So we have introduced the free paper presentations, where faculties who are interested in presenting review articles, concept notes or novel research ideas as a poster, so they can very well come here and present as a free paper. So this will be a kind of additional opportunity what we have created, so that everyone can come with something and contribute to the MPS Con 2026. So thank you so much for viewing this video, and please do share my message to everyone, and I'm very much eager to meet you all at MPS Con 2026 at CD Cyber, Bangalore. Thank you.